Now that he's gone, it's pretty lonely.
Yeah, obviously, pretty sad to see Motua go.
More like the father and the father figure in our rugby. The karakia man for us all, keep us safe during the day.
We've been missing his karakia already.
And it's a big loss, but we're just picking ourselves up, carrying on, waiting for our day in the ring.
Just honoured to be in his presence, really.
Yes, a father figure. Unfortunately, he's gone home, but we've all accepted it, you know.
It's inevitable, so, like, I think everyone's starting to get used to it.
We all got to go home and see no one too.